Skyline GT-RS damaged in forklift collision at Laguna, Seca, lawsuit filed. Two classic Nissan Skyline GT-RS sustained severe damage after being struck by a telehandler, a heavy-duty forklift at WeatherTech Raceway, Laguna, Seca earlier this month. The owners of the vehicles have now filed a lawsuit against the circuit, citing negligence. Incident details: the collision occurred while both cars, a red R34 and a purple R32 GTR, were parked on the main straight under a red flag condition. Footage from a dashcam shows the telehandler, carrying a load of tires, failing to stop or divert as it approached the parked vehicles. The impact was forceful enough to shatter windows, destroy body panels, and inflict significant structural damage. The owners, Artin Nazarian, R34, and Akihiro Fachigami, R32, are claiming their cars are likely beyond economical repair. The incident raises questions about track safety procedures, especially the visibility and operational protocols for support vehicles during on-track events. Legal action and claims: the lawsuit alleges that the telehandler operator acted with gross negligence by proceeding without ensuring a clear line of sight or verifying the track was free of parked vehicles. Beyond the vehicle damage, the claimants are also seeking compensation for physical injuries, emotional distress, and other non-economic losses. The circuit has acknowledged the incident, but has not yet issued a formal response to the lawsuit itself. A representative confirmed that the facility is working through the process with diligence and timeliness. Broader context: this incident highlights the risks inherent in motorsport environments, where track personnel operate heavy machinery alongside high-performance vehicles. While accidents happen, the severity of this collision raises concerns about whether adequate safety measures were in place to prevent such an event. The incident underscores the importance of clear communication protocols, enforced speed limits for support vehicles, and robust visibility requirements on racetracks to protect both participants and their vehicles. The outcome of this lawsuit could set precedents for liability in similar future incidents.